How to add a Mastercard gift card balance to your Amazon account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a Mastercard gift card balance to your Amazon. So let's get started. So the first thing that you'll need to do is first locate your code. After you've done that, you can open up your Amazon. Then you can simply redeem the code. Now, you can redeem the code by simply going to the Amazon redeem section, but in this video, we'll just add our Mastercard gift card directly as a payment method. So first, let's search for Amazon Reload. And after searching for Amazon Reload, you can then tap on Reload your Amazon gift card option, this one. Then select the amount that you want and go through with the transaction. After you go through with that, you can then go ahead and add your payment method. So you can add it directly when you're trying to check out, or you can just go to your settings. First, go to your profile. After you're on your profile, you can see your gift card balance. You can reload your balance, redeem gift cards and stuff. But for this, we'll just head over to your account. Then from here, we'll just head over to our payment methods. So here you can see manage gift card balance, your payments. I'll just head over to my payments and add a payment method. From here, I can choose any card here. Let me just choose this one and then add the gift card or Mastercard as a payment method. So add it from here and add and continue, and it's been added. Doing that, now you have added the Mastercard as your as your balance to your Amazon. Now you can use it however you like. You can also add it as your managed gift card balance right here and redeem the card. And after you redeem it, you can check your balance from here. And that's how you do it, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.